in the water. You can see right here that little yellow thing right in the middle. That's a seed pod. And when they finish seeds inside there, a day like today, later on they'll have some thunderstorm. You can grab one of those and put it on top of your head. It makes a great baskets. And the flower just started to bloom this morning right here. Really pretty. And then later on this afternoon or early tomorrow morning, these will be fully bloomed. Really pretty, really pretty. Love them. It's called the red bud maples. That's these right here. They have one raw looking leaves. They're so pretty. They start turning a bright red, then a dark red, and then they turn purple. They're so beautiful. They have a lot of them too. Pretty for very long, but these red buds stay pretty for about a month. Over here on the right, you see a turtle on the log and a great bull. And it gets better when I get down the bayou over there when I make that turn. See, the trees block a lot of the wind. But anyway, right now we're in but it has been dredged in the whole field for a while too. That's where I actually met them. Barge Canal right here. They call it the Barge Canal because Shell Oil came in here in the late 50s and they dredged it to make it deeper and wider to get the oil barges through here. We'll probably see a couple of oil barges in here a little bit further. All right, guys, I want to welcome you aboard the Cajun Man Swamp Tours. I'm your captain, Billy Gaston. I'll be your guide. And a few miles below that is salt water. So salt water isn't very far from here. If that salt water ever intrudes into this area, because the Atchafalaya River is only about 6 miles to the west of here. So if Ida would have went towards Morgan City, this whole area would be dead. So there's no telling what you're going to see today. You just got to keep your eyes open on these levees. They have all kind of wildlife out there. But they have a lot of things to hide behind. Lay on mattresses and pillows that my grandparents had that were stuffed with Spanish moss. But if the cotton takes...
Look, come here.
Atchafalaya, that's untouched. That's where my other location is going to be. They have 600 to 800-year-old cypress over there. Look at the red bird. Red birds. You gonna get it, you gonna get it, you gonna get it. You gotta be quick on that. Ready? Over here.
Oh, another alligator.
Protégé. Oh, you got 2 of them. Ready? Oh, Lord have mercy, girl. Hey, Mike, up. Woo, bro. Give me 5. That was awesome, dude. Over here, that's Jolie. I named him after you, Chef. Come on, Mom. You gonna help Mama? Come on, come help Mama. No? All right, here we go. There's Jolie. There's Jolie. Good job, good job.
I want to feed it.
Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy.
Look at 2 of them down there. One picture.
Non, tu l'as déjà fait une fois, ma chérie. Avale la
After we feed them, we're going swimming, okay? Mike? Dog.
Ooh.
Make us a deal in a little while, okay? Up. Ready.
Can't do it with no kangaroos.
No kangaroo.
Oh, couillon.
I want to make it fun.
Hold that for a second.
That was a big one.
Up.
la vache. Viens de recul.
Ready? Good.
Whoa.
Ah, mais...
You gotta try that hard. Wow.
That's bigger than us.
2,000 pounds of pressure when they bite down, guys.
That's a big one.
Stay back, stay back.
Jim,
Still hungry.
Jim, let's see your
Get that
arm.
ring.
Like some fingers.
Good. Good.
Eat some fingers.
I'm ready to go. Y'all ready? Come on, let's go.
We're gonna jump on her, right? I'm gonna get that little one.
Go.
No, she's not. Jolene.
Ready? There you go. Ready? Up. Ooh, bro. Why you pulled it
That
away?
sounded like a cow.
He gets mad when you up, up. Ooh. Good job, buddy. Ready? Ready. Hoop, 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 hoop. You want to go fast?
Yeah.
All right, y'all get right here. We'll take a picture. We're going fast, fast, okay? Hold on. Here we go. There you go. Get the picture.
Keep it straight.
Y'all done a fine job. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Hoop, 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 hoop. Dog. Ooh.
Ooh.
Bon moment, là, quand il y a des choses à...
Look at two of them down there. One picture.
Non, tu l'as déjà fait une fois, ma chérie. Avale,
After we feed them, we're going swimming, okay? Mike? Hoop. Hoop. Over here. That's Jolie. I named him after you, Chef. Get back down. You want to help Mama? Come on, come help Mama. No? All right, here we go. There's Jolie. Jolie. Good job, good job.
I want to feed it.
Mike. Up. Up. Woo. Don't knock the phone in the water. Okay, you ready? Oh, we got two of them. Ready? Oh, Lord have mercy, girl. You gonna get it, you gonna get it, you gonna get it. Over here. Up.
Cute.
Hoop, 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 hoop. Dog. Ooh.
Tu l'as déjà fait une fois, ma chérie. Avale,
After we feed them, we're going swimming, okay? Mike? Hoop. Hoop. Yep. That's Jolie. I named him after you, Chef. Get back down. You want to help Mama? Come on, come help Mama. No? All right, here we go. There's Jolie. Mike. Up. Up. Woo. Ready? Oh, Lord have mercy, girl. You gonna get it? Up. Up.